The next topic is Uber and Lyft drivers want more pay and protections. Oh, I don't think... Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay.
It's just muted. Oh, now it's good.
Minnesota Uber and Lyft drivers are banding together to ask for better pay and more protection. Drivers gathered at the state capitol earlier today asking...
Look at this, guys. Drivers gathered in the state capitol. These drivers are like... These drivers are legit. These drivers are like, bro, we're going to the capitol, bro. What do you think about that?
I'm kind of surprised.
Okay, Izzy, let's say, fast forward, 10 years, you're an Uber driver full time.
Yeah.
And let's say, you're fed up. You're like, I'm not getting paid enough. Do you see yourself going to the Capitol and asking for more pay?
No.
Why not?
I'd probably just get a different job.
Do you not think that maybe you're not a serious driver if you're not showing up to the state capitol?
Yeah, I mean, if it was my passion, like Uber driving was my number one passion.
Yeah.
Then yeah, maybe.
Guys, comment below.
Yeah.
Would you go to the state capitol to call for more stronger protections? Let's see what they have to say. Look at this guy.
What's on his shirt?
I think he's protesting. I think he's a passenger threw his Slurpee on him or something.
What the hell?
And I think he like saved it to show like Uber, like, look, this is what, like, buy me a new shirt. Like, I think they want protections to get new shirts. Or at least uniforms,
Oh.
...in their payments.
I mean, if you work at McDonald's, you get a uniform.
They're also concerned about not having any company protection against criminal assaults. One driver wore the bloodied shirt from an attack by a customer.
Oh, that was blood. I'm so sorry.
Heck?
I didn't mean to joke about that.
That's so bad. Did you get stabbed?
I don't know. Okay, I don't. I guess he got it. I don't know.
They receive no benefits and provide their own cars and insurance.
Okay, guys, I apologize. This is my apology video. You don't cancel me. I thought I didn't think. I mean. Okay,
I kind of thought it was blood.
Oh, really?
To begin with, yeah.
I thought it was spaghetti or something.
What?
I mean, why would he show up to the Capitol? Like, I don't know. I just thought it was kind of humorous, but yeah, I do like he is there to make a statement.
Employees,
yeah.
They receive no.
But at the same time, I'm kind of joke. Like, I don't mean to joke. Like, the drivers do at the end of the day need safety features, and I am glad that Uber is now starting to record rides. Like, that is a good step in the right direction.
Yeah, true.
But at the same time, I think there's a lot more that needs to be done. And I haven't heard Lyft say that they're doing that. So kudos to Uber for doing that now. But I haven't heard Uber make a big announcement saying they're doing that. So I think they should start running advertisements saying we're going to start recording all the rides. I don't know.